Running pipe through a building. Episode 22 of the Gas Service animated series. Every run of pipe hangs on its supports, and maximum spacing grows with pipe size. Half-inch of steel pipe gets a hanger every 6 feet. 3/4 and 1-inch pipe stretch to 8 feet. Vertical risers 1 1/4 inch and larger are held at each floor. Smaller risers keep their 6 or 8 foot spacing. Use hangers and straps built for the job, never wire or nails. Let pipe expand freely. Once the drywall goes up, everything behind it is concealed, and the code limits what can hide there. Concealed fittings include threaded elbows, T's, couplings, caps, and plugs, plus welded and brazed fittings, and fittings listed for concealed use, like CSST and press connect. A union is not allowed because a joint made to be taken apart belongs where you can reach it. Serviceable parts stay accessible. Nailing surfaces are the enemy of hidden gas lines. Where tubing is run inside a hollow wall or partition without protection along its entire concealed length, the code puts a steel striker barrier on it, at least 0.0508 inches thick, extending 4 inches past each penetration. A stray drywall screw hits armor, not gas line. The 1 1/4 inch from the face rule you may know is from the residential code. NFPA 54 ties it to the unprotected concealed run. Episode 11. Thin wall tubing gets shields anywhere a fastener could reach. Where pipe passes through masonry or a foundation wall, it gets a sleeve. The annular space between the pipe and its sleeve is sealed, and the penetration is sealed around its full circumference, blocking water, insects, and rodents, and stopping gas from migrating along the pipe into the building. Passing through an exterior wall, the pipe is also protected against corrosion with an approved coating or wrap. Multi-story buildings run gas up through vertical chases. Higher pressure piping in a chase brings extra rules. The chase is built to the local building code for fire resistance, and it is ventilated to the outdoors at the top only. Where pipe penetrates a floor, the opening is fire stopped to the building code. Piping stays out of solid partitions. Slab embedment only where approved. Where wet gas can carry moisture, the piping itself must drain. Horizontal runs are graded at least 1/4 inch and 15 feet, so no low spot traps liquid. Drips are installed where condensate could collect, and where required, at the meter outlet. Every drip stays readily accessible for emptying, and never where it could freeze. Same thinking as the episode 9 drip leg. Some paths are off limits. Gas piping inside a building is never run in or through a circulating or ventilating air duct, a closed chute, a chimney or gas vent, a dumbwaiter, or an elevator shaft. A leak in those spaces would spread gas through the building or feed it straight to a flue. So when a duct sits in the way, the pipe goes around it, never through it. On inspection, walk the line. Supports at the right intervals, larger risers held at each floor. Striker plates wherever pipe or tubing sits close to a nailing surface. Penetration sleeved and sealed against gas and water. And nothing concealed that must stay serviceable. Unions, valves, and drips stay reachable. The code and your company's procedures make the final call. Support it, protect it, seal it, and route it right. Spacing by size, shields near fasteners, sleeves through masonry, and never through a duct or shaft. Next time, fireplaces and space heaters.